Foodie family, I missed y'all. I've been gone for a minute and I apologize, but I'm back to share this Saturday with you all. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you true to this and you ain't new to this, welcome back, boo. I'm here with my mini Cadence. Come on over here, girl. Make sure you step into the light.
Hey, Foodie family.
It's Saturday and we are on our way to a crawfish boil. Celebrity chef Tiffany Dairy has a great restaurant here called Roots Southern Table, and they're doing their annual crawfish boil today. So we're gonna head on over to there. Y'all gonna go with us, but before we go, we're stopping off at Academy because they said bring chairs and blankets. So we gotta get some chairs and blankets. So come on, Foodie family, let's go into Academy. And we're hungry, right? You hungry? I'm hungry. Let's go. All right, so Foodie family, we already have chairs at home and a picnic blanket, but I didn't know that we needed them for the crawfish boil. So luckily, Academy had these for $5.99 and they came in purple. It looks like it's blue, but it's purple. So we grabbed 2 of them and we just kept it moving. Mission was not actually fully 100%ly, I made that word up, completed in Academy. So now we're at Target. We're gonna get in and get out, and we are not about to spend her college fund. Watch. Okay. Gotta hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. The party has started at 6. What time is it? It's 6:44. Crawfish boil started at 6, and we're more than 30 minutes away. Stress. Okay, this is what we were looking for. They got a round one. That's cute, but it's probably not as big. It doesn't say. Oh, 60 inches in diameter. That's like a 60-inch table. You can sit 8 people at a 60-inch table. 60-inch round table. Got it. And here we go. She's looking at things that have nothing, zero to do with the crawfish boil today. What is it about this place? $30. Oh. Well, can you hear it? We made it. It's been a rough day. Foodie family, Cadence is sad. She left her phone in Target, but Nick is on the way to Target because we called Target 6 times and they won't answer the phone. So it was only about 25, less than 30 minutes since we left Target. So hopefully the phone will be there and all will be well. It's gonna be okay. You gonna be okay? All right, it's been a rough day, y'all. My nails didn't do what they were supposed to do at the nail salon. We were there for over 2 hours. It's 7:30. This started at 6. But we're gonna make up for it. We're gonna eat some good food. Nobody's hurt. We have all of our limbs. Everybody's healthy. So there's worse things that could have happened. We're gonna be all right. Well, you sure are happy for a person who just lost their phone. Ice cream, that's all it takes. All right, y'all. So the ice cream that they had available made Cadence feel much better about not having her phone. They had a Zydeco band. Aside from the crawfish, they also had burgers and banana pudding. And here is this $30 blanket that I bought at Target. And let me tell y'all, we didn't even use it. We just sat in the chairs the whole time. Ugh. That's so crazy. But anyway, the weather was perfect, about 82 degrees. And the crawfish, look at them. Oh. All right, we got our seat. We got our crawfish. I'm dirty. How is it, Katie? The flavor is excellent. It's a little spicy, but not too spicy. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna say on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it about 3. What would you give it? It's about a 3. Not so spicy that you can't enjoy the flavor. We're on our first plate. I'm at least gonna get one more. And they got some desserts too. But I really came on here, other than to just tell y'all how good the crawfish is, I need to tell Kaden something. Your daddy got your phone. See? I told you we were gonna be all right. Phone has been secured. Okay, foodie family, we made it home from the crawfish boil. And although it's kind of a rough day today, it started off a little shaky for us. Went to the nail salon. My nail tech that I've been going to for over a year couldn't get it to come together on my nails, so I got to go back on Monday, and that took 2 hours. We couldn't find everything we needed in Academy, so we had to go to Target. Then when we got to Target, Cadence ended up losing her phone in Target. And we were about an hour and a half late getting to the crawfish boil. Couldn't find anywhere to park. I mean, it was crazy. However, one of the main reasons I went to the crawfish boil was to make a connection with Tiffany Dairy. And check it out. We made a connection. So yeah, told you I got some stuff I'm working on, and you know, the pieces of the puzzle are starting to fall together. As always, I appreciate y'all hanging out with us. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and all those good things. All right, bye.